Today, I'm going to show you how to control any AC units via automation using this tiny little hub. That's right, this little thing monitors the temperature and humidity, and it has a built-in universal remote control within to control anything you want. Not just this AC unit, but also the TV, radio, amplifiers, whatever. Anything with a built-in IR receiver. Very slick. Taking a closer look, you get the readings of the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. You can control the units via the app. There's the Wi-Fi signal. Right now it's pretty good. If there's no Wi-Fi signal, this thing will be red. When you first power on the unit, this Wi-Fi signal will start blinking, blinking, blinking white. That's when you know it's in pairing mode. In this video, you'll see how this device replaces this whole remote control from Medea. Inside the box, this is all you get. The unit itself, a reset button, just in case you move to another house and you want to reset the Wi-Fi. The reset button is somewhere on the right hand side, right here. Press and hold it for about 3 seconds in case you ever have to reset it. There's the power plug. Here's the USB-C cable that's about 4 feet. There's the magnetic stand this thing will attach it to. Or in case if you don't want to have it sitting on a desktop or whatever, you can always mount it to the wall using this double-sided tape. Here's a quarter for size comparison so you can see how small this whole thing is. Here's another angle for you, just for you to see how thick this thing is. So yeah, overall this thing is pretty small. Here it is sitting on a table so you can see how even though the unit is pretty small, but the numbers are pretty big. You can easily read this from across the room. Now to control the unit, go ahead and download the Tuya Smart app. Once installed, go ahead and click on Open. Click on Agree. Log in if you already have an account or sign up an account. Now I'm going to add the device, so go ahead and go to the upper right hand corner and click on the plus icon. Be sure to enable Bluetooth and location, that way it will find the device. Now is a good time to plug the unit in. If you already have it plugged in and it's not blinking the Wi-Fi signal, that means it's not in pair mode. So go ahead and yank the power cable out and plug it back in. There we go, it found the device, so go ahead and tap on it. Give it your Wi-Fi credentials. And now the device is being added in. It's going to add itself to your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Very simple. It is possible that your device needs a firmware update. If that's the case, go ahead and click on Update Now. Click on Update on the upper right hand corner. And then click on Start Update. Alright, now the firmware has been updated. Let's click on the device itself. You can see here I already added a Samsung TV. That way I can control it remotely as needed. Now we're going to add the Medea AC unit in. So go ahead and click on Add a Home Appliance. Click on AC Unit. Mine has a screen, so click on that. Go down to Medea or whatever brand your AC unit is. Now I'm going to grab the Medea remote, point it at the device, and press on Power. The remote and the device is 3 centimeters away from each other. This device is pretty slick because it has a learning remote as well. So it's going to give you an option to see if this Medea AC in the app is compatible with your real Medea remote. Go ahead and tap on the power button right here to see if it will actually power up your Medea AC unit or not. Once that's done, go ahead and tap on the Cool, Auto, and Swing. Try all of the other buttons in the app. I know for sure mine doesn't work, so I'm going to go to the Medea AC 2 out of 8. So here we go. Here's the second option, the 2 out of 8 version. Test to make sure that all of these buttons in the app are working. Once that's working, go ahead and tap on Working. Alright, now that we know that it's working, go ahead and click on the pencil icon to give it a name. Click on Save and then click on OK. Nice. Now that the unit has been added in, you can control it manually via this app. Now let's set up an automation, so go ahead and click on the Automation tab. Add Automation. Temperature Linkage AC. If the temperature rises above, say 78 degrees, because right now in the room it's 81.1 Fahrenheit. The time and day, it will be every day, and then click on Save. If the condition has been met, then go ahead and add an action. Click on the switch and they will turn to on. The mode will be cool. The temperature will be whatever temperature you want it to be. So let's say 77 degrees, that's pretty good. The speed, you can change the fan speed from auto, low, middle, and high. I'm going to choose high and then click on Confirm. For swing, strangely, there's no option for swing to be off or on, so it's swing by default. Click on save again to get out of this whole menu. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create an automation using this Tuya app. It's too bad that there's no way to connect this to other hub like Home Assistant. Well, I guess you could connect it to Home Assistant using Tuya Local, but for now, that's not in this video. I would say that this remote is pretty slick for what it is for a normal home user who doesn't care about complex home automation. I would say this hub is pretty good if you just want simplicity. Now that we're done with one automation, you can click on more automation if you want. You can always toggle this to turn the automation on or off. If you want manual control, go ahead and go back to the control tab. Here you can control all of your devices manually. In the temperature and humidity tab, you can see all of the trend. Finally, in settings, you can change the units from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to set up this Venz device up. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.